Hello.
Hello.
How
Hello,
are
how are you?
I'm great, Sahil, and you?
I'm also great. Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you again. It's wonderful to meet you again, actually.
Hmm.
And how are you doing today?
I'm doing great.
Great. What did you do?
Do you know today was my final exam? Not final exam, just a GK test, GK final test, and there would be
Oh,
some more exam.
wow. So you're very busy studying now?
Yes.
Wow.
Uh,
Interesting. Great. So
okay.
would you like to look at the airport?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's have a little look.
Listen and repeat. Hello, I'm Marian. It's so nice to see you again. Let's travel together.
Perfect.
I'm at the airport, but I have many problems. Can you help me?
Can you help her?
Can Yes, yes.
Oh, you are wonderful. Okay, look at these
Where?
questions.
Okay. Where's the check the code for the D? Can you tell me
This,
this one?
yes, this is the check-in counter for Delta.
Where's the checking counter for Delta?
Good.
Is there any shutter button that goes between temp- terminals?
Yes, terminals. Very good. A
Terminals.
shuttle bus.
Okay. Shuttle
Yes.
bus.
Good.
How do you get to terminal 1? Where's the restroom? Where can I exchange money?
Good. Well done. So Delta is just the name, okay, of the airline.
Okay.
Okay, let's fill in the blanks.
Is there dash that goes between terminal? This shuttle bus.
Yes, very good.
Do dash do I get terminal 1? Restroom. How? How? Maybe how?
Yes,
Which the restroom?
very good. And you can ask about other places in the airport. So, can you ask me another question about a different place in the airport?
Okay. Let me think. Which, where do we exchange money?
Perfect. That's a good question.
I cannot see the screen. Oh, it's visible now.
Ah, good.
What
Okay.
place are these? Tell
Mhm.
your tutor the name of this place. Hmm, hmm, let me think. It's the bus station,
Yes, very good.
and this is washroom.
Yes, washroom, restroom, bathroom, many names.
Okay. I can't understand this one.
This is the check in counter.
Okay, checking counter.
Very good. That's where we go and we check in, the first place we must go when we go to the airport.
Okay.
So, what do you do at the bus station?
Bus station. We stand on bus station to get a bus.
Absolutely. And what do we do in the restroom?
Restroom we rest.
Really?
No, no, no.
Go to the
Listen.
toilet and wash
Yes,
our hands.
yes.
Yes. What about the check in counter? What do we do there?
Uh, we check ourselves
Yeah, check ourselves in.
in. We check
Yeah,
ourselves in.
very good. Okay, at the check-in counter.
Maria made it to the check-in tip in the counter, but she still has many questions. Let's help her read her question and your tutor will answer them. What time is my flight?
Your flight is at 9:55.
What airline I'm flying?
You are flying with British Airways.
Where is the gate?
Your gate is 56.
What time should be at my gate?
You should be at your gate 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes before departure. Do you know
Okay.
departure?
No, I don't know. Can you tell me?
Yes, departure is leaving.
Okay.
Okay. So, can you think of any other questions Maria may have?
Airline. Let me think. Let my gate. Maybe. No, no, no. I cannot.
No? Okay.
Yes.
What about maybe she's hungry? Maybe she wants to know where McDonald's is.
Hmm. That is not related to the flight.
No, that's not, but she might need it, just like the restroom.
Okay.
Yes, something we might need. Or maybe she could ask for the baggage scales. Where can I weigh my luggage?
Okay.
Yes, to make sure that it's not too heavy and she won't be charged a lot of money.
Okay.
Okay.
Maria and her question. Maria loved to ask question and yeah, not easy one. She doesn't ask question. You can answer with yes or no. Let's play. Maria and her question. Ask your tutor as many questions as you can ask that cannot be answered with yes or no. For example, what time is your flight? It is at 7 p.m. Okay. Mm,
Okay.
where would you like to visit?
I would like to visit India.
Okay. Which place do you not like to visit?
Oh, I would not like to visit. That's a difficult question. I would not like to visit England.
Hmm.
Any more?
Why? Okay. What is your favorite color?
Oh, my favorite color is blue.
Which Indian dish do you love the most?
Aloo gobi.
Oh, that's not Indian dish.
Aloo gobi?
Aloo gobi. Okay.
Aloo gobi, yes.
Okay.
Or what did
Let
you
me
tell
see.
me yesterday? Pani puri.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, that's delicious.
Okay, let me ask. Uh, let me think. Which website do you use the most?
Oh, that's a very good question. Um, Maybe Facebook.
Okay. How many devices are there in your home? Name them.
Wow, how many devices? I just have my laptop and I have two mobile phones.
Yes.
And what about kitchen devices? Do you want to know those?
Yes, I want to know all. Mm,
Okay, so I have an oven and a blender and a juicer and a television and a keyboard.
Okay. Which device do you use the most?
My phone or my laptop, but I think my phone.
Which device do you use the less?
The least.
The least.
Yes, my keyboard probably.
Which animal is your favorite animal?
Dog. I have one dog And I have my friend's dog here too. At the moment, I have two.
Why?
Why? Why do I love dogs?
No. Why your friend's dog is in here?
My friend is from Ireland, from Northern Ireland in the UK, and his mummy is very sick. So he had to go home to visit her. So I'm helping him to take care of his dog.
Okay. Which animal do you don't like?
Ooh, cockroaches. Do you know cockroaches?
Yes. I also don't like.
Yeah, I don't like them. I'm scared
But
of
they're
them.
insect. But they're
But
insect.
oh, you're too clever. But I don't know about animals. Maybe if I have to choose, I will say a cat because I am allergic.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't like wild animal, we can say. Like cheetah,
Why?
tiger. They can hurt us.
Maybe, but that's okay. I think they're very beautiful.
They're beautiful. Like cheetah is also dangerous. It
Which
can
one?
cheetah.
Cheetah, yes, a cheetah can. It's the fastest animal in the world, isn't it?
Yes. It can run faster than a bullet train at 8. It can
Wow.
run faster than a bullet train in for 5 seconds.
Wow. I didn't know that. That's amazing. Yes, but I think they look very beautiful. I went to see a lot of animals in Bangalore when I visited Bangalore, and that was very, very nice. Tigers and elephants.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. No, I
Okay,
don't.
enough. That was 1
Yes.
million very good questions. So well done.
Hmm.
Excellent, excellent.
Maria and her question. Usual question. What time is the flight? Where? What is your phone number? Where are you from? Where are you going to? Where are you traveling to? When is your birthday? When is your passport number? What is your
Mm,
passport number?
yes, good. When is your birthday, Sahil?
My birthday. In 12. I'm born. My birthday is, we can say 10 May.
10th of May.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, very nice.
Okay. At the check in the court. At the check.
Check-in counter.
At the check-in counter. At the check-in counter. Hello, where are you flying today? To today. New York. Can I see your passport?
Sure, here it is.
Okay. Here your passport and boarding pass.
Yes. Do you know what a boarding pass is?
Uh, I don't know clearly, but maybe a flight for a flight.
Yeah, it's like the ticket. Yes, the piece of paper or card that will tell you your seat number, your flight number, and the time, and all of your information that you need. And you need to show
Okay,
it to get on the plane. Here you
okay.
go. It looks like this.
Uh, Boarding pass. Read all the information in the e-ticket with your tutor. Ask your tutor the question below. What time is the flight departure?
4:55 p.m.
4:55 p.m. And what is the gate number?
A21.
Which city is the destination?
London. New
Hmm.
York to London. Bye bye. See you,
Okay,
Sahil.
bye.